Welcome to our channel. Keeping your payment information current on Peacock ensures uninterrupted service. Follow these steps to update your payment method. Step 1. Visit peacocktv.com using your web browser and sign in to your Peacock account with your credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account or Account Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Billing or Payment Information within your account settings. Step 4. Review your current payment method displayed on the billing page, including the last 4 digits of your card. Step 5. Click on Update Payment Method or Change Payment to modify your billing information. Step 6. Enter your new credit or debit card information, including card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 7. Update your billing address if it has changed. Ensure the address matches what your bank has on file. Step 8. Double-check all entered information for accuracy before saving to avoid payment processing issues. Step 9. Click Save or Update to confirm your new payment information. Step 10. Wait for confirmation that your payment method has been successfully updated. You should see a success message. Step 11. Check your email for a confirmation message from Peacock about the payment method change. Step 12. Verify that your next billing statement uses the new payment method you just added. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.